In 4 months, over 5 billion people are going to watch the same tournament. That's more than half the planet. And if you're American and you've never watched a full football match in your life, you're about to feel very lost at every barbecue, every group chat, every office pool this summer. So here's what we're doing today. I'm going to take you from zero to, wait, I actually get this now, in the next 10 minutes. No jargon, no assuming you know anything, just the stuff you need to sound like you've watched this sport your whole life. Let's start with the basic setup, because this trips up more Americans than you'd think. 2 teams, 11 players each, 1 ball. The goal is simple. Literally, it's called a goal, and you score by getting the ball into the net. But here's the twist that throws off every new fan. You can't use your hands, only your feet, chest, head, pretty much anything except your arms and hands. That's why the rest of the world calls it football. The whole game revolves around your foot touching the ball. Americans call it soccer because, weirdly, that word was actually invented in England first. Yeah, the word soccer is British. Mind blown yet? We're 30 seconds in and already flipping something you thought you knew. 1. Now let's talk about why scores look so weird to Americans. You'll see games end 1-0, sometimes 0-0. In American sports, that feels like nothing happened. In football, a 1-0 game can be one of the most intense 90 minutes you'll ever watch. Why? Because goals are rare. On average, a football match has about 2.5 goals total, combined for both teams. Compare that to basketball, where teams casually drop 100 points each. That scarcity is exactly why fans go insane when a goal happens. It's not common, so it means something. Here's your first real aha moment. The clock. Football doesn't stop the clock every few seconds like American football does. It just keeps running. 90 minutes, split into 2 45-minute halves. But at the end of each half, the referee adds extra minutes back, called stoppage time, to make up for time lost to injuries, substitutions, or time wasting. So when you see a +4 pop up on screen, that means 4 extra minutes are being added. This confuses new fans constantly, and it's actually one of the most dramatic parts of the sport, because some of the biggest goals in World Cup history happened in those bonus minutes when everyone thought the game was already over. Let's talk positions now, because this is where people usually get overwhelmed. I'm going to simplify this brutally. 2.